The 60-second driver.
Rear-end collisions often occur at the entry to highways. Here's how you can minimize the risk and enter a highway lane safely.
As you approach the entry lane, adjust your speed to match traffic and keep plenty of space between you and the vehicle ahead in case you have to stop for an emergency. Use the entry lane to match your speed with traffic so as to merge without having to stop. Stopping at the end of the entry lane increases the risk of a collision, but if you need to stop, tap your brakes lightly to signal drivers behind you and stop just before the entrance of the entry lane. If you're driving on a highway and see a vehicle approaching on an entry lane, change lanes, but only if it's safe to do so. If you cannot change lanes due to heavy traffic, adjust your speed to allow the merging vehicle to enter.
Understanding the dynamics of high-speed merging will keep traffic moving smoothly and safely.
For more driving tips, watch The 60-Second Driver Thursdays at 6 on CTV News. Brought to you by Manitoba Public Insurance.